tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello, Abby. Oh, hi, guys. What do you have in your bag there, Abby? Well, I needed some new shoes for school so that my feet could be comfortable. It's important they fit properly. That's right, Abby. They do need to fit properly. They can't be too tight or too big. When I was little, I wore too small shoes and I ended up with feet injuries. So it's important to have comfortable, good-fitting shoes. Do you mind if we open them up and have a look at them? Sure. Abby got RL shoes, SHOES. And RL means real little. Hopefully they're not too little, Abby. Oh, they're nicely wrapped in some purple tissue. I see a basketball, some high-top sneakers, a stereo, a skateboard. Oh, they're super teeny. Aren't they super cute? They are white, black, with a multicolored leopard print. Abby, did you try these on? No, I just liked the way they looked. Well, Abby, your foot won't even fit into these shoes. We're going to have to go back to the store and exchange them and get you some proper fitting shoes. Oh, okay, well, hopefully they're in my size. Yeah, hopefully. We'll put them back in the box just as they were, so that the store can put them back on their shelf and resell them. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.